YouTube, what's happening? It's your boy Cool Ass Kenny 84 back again with another video. Welcome back to the show, man. Oh my God, we still stuck in Texas, bro. We still stuck in Texas, y'all, man. I have not got out here. I've been sitting here, well, since yesterday. I was supposed to leave yesterday, but I'm still here today. But yeah, we still stuck, man. Power out all over the place. Temperatures dropped all the way to, feel like almost in the negatives type. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, we ain't seen, I don't remember a time when it was this bad since I've been here. I've been here like 20, let me see. Yeah, almost 20, wait a minute. Yeah, so I've been here 18 years, my bad. I've been here 18 years. So, I haven't seen it this bad. We've had some ice storms and things of that nature, but nothing to this degree. Nothing that I can remember to this degree. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to get out. I just started my car, let my car warm up because I have not started in a couple of days, you know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing freezing over and nothing like that. So I come out here and start it up every now and again. But I really don't want to drive. We ain't been driving. We ain't been going nowhere, but I got to get out because I got to go check on my truck. So that's what I'm about to go do. Make sure my truck is straight. I'm hoping that it's gonna start. I'm hoping that it will start. The sun came out, you know what I'm saying? Temperature went up a little bit, but not a lot. But I'm still hoping that the doggone truck will start. So that's what I'm getting ready to go do now. Check on that. But I'll let y'all when I get that way, man. Oh, okay, y'all. We back, man. I just got in the truck. As y'all can hear, I'm trying to let my air build. I don't know what happened. My truck started, so I'm glad for that. I'm appreciative of that. But we got a bigger issue though. Hold on, let me see if it's gonna cut off. I got in, started the truck, it hesitated a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I had all my power shut off. All that stuff. It's been sitting for like 3 days, something like that. But let me show you what I'm looking at though. This right here, y'all know, this one's building, my bottom one, but this one was all the way down there, bro. And it is not moving. So I don't know if that joker broke now. I don't know what happened. Yeah, this should have went off by now. Not going off. It's because of this top one. It's not moving. So now I don't know what the hell. And I really don't know what that is or what could be causing it. Yeah, I don't know. Let me check in on this, man. I'll get back with y'all. Yeah.
The next day.
Alright, y'all, I done got real, man. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm in the whip. Listen, it got too real, man. Like I said before on another post, hard times call for hard measures, man. So I'm getting ready to venture out, man. That my wife went shopping and got some food, brother. But I don't think nobody was prepared for it to get shut down like this. But Weezy, I've been home. Sure, I've been home all week. I've been home since Saturday. But I know I eat like a ton. You know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm just sitting around bored, man. Kind of making me mad too, cause I don't want to interrupt my little weight loss schedule. You know what I'm saying? So, but it's happening. We found a place that is open. So we finna go. I'm finna slide up here. It's just like right around the corner, man. I'm finna slide up here and go get this food, bro. We got enough stuff for a couple of days, so yeah, that's what we about to do. But we gonna make it do what it do, man. I gotta slide up here. Pray for me. Woo, man. Let me tell you something. This is a situation out here. It's a whole situation, man. And I ain't even talking about the roads right now. Like the roads messed up. Everybody know that. But these apartments, bro. These apartments. I just passed an apartment that's inside of my little community or whatever. Fire trucks out there. I don't know, man. Like these pipes and stuff are bursting. I'm seeing that a lot in these videos and stuff and on the internet. Like a lot of people's pipes is bursting, man. And like if you're in an apartment complex, man, like that's gonna, you know what I'm saying? It ain't just that apartment that's gonna get affected. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be all the apartments that's in that whole little area that's probably gonna get affected, man. You know what I'm saying? It's getting crazy. We ain't lost no power yet, not in this little circle that I'm in, but pipes are bursting. Water pipes are bursting, man. So everybody stay safe, man. If you really ain't got to, don't get out here, man. It ain't even worth it. I'm finna go get some food, so that's worth it to me. I'm out. Man, I'll just tell you, we went on an overhaul, man. Listen, bro, it's hectic out here. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. We found a spot over here by the crib that was open, restaurant, Snuffers. It's just like, it's packed, bro. When you like, you know what I'm saying, not the only, but you know what I'm saying, there's only a couple of places that was open. Like, everybody's going there. Everybody. So I just spent probably a good hour trying to get some food, which really wasn't. Most of the food was ready, but they left off an item, which, you know, in normal circumstances probably feel some type of way, but in these circumstances, you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? You know, they swamped, they heck of busy, so it is what it is. But you know what I'm saying, they took care of it. You got to order correct, you know what I'm saying? It even helped us out a little bit, so I ain't even gonna complain. But we went stupid, like, you know what I'm saying? We gonna be good, man, to hopefully these temperatures, you know, reach back to above freezing and melt some of this stuff down. But the roads, honestly, with the roads out here, just my experience driving around out here where I'm at, like all the snow that came last night kind of it put like a fresh powdery layer on the road, so it's still slippery. Yes, like if you don't have good tires or all-weather tires or chains or something like that, or 4x4, like you still gonna slide a little bit, but you can get traction. But it's not like, you know, the ice is up underneath the snow. Like with people driving over the fresh snow, it kind of packed it in. So now it's just like you know, basically got powdered snow roads. So that's not as bad, but it ain't terrible. You know what I'm saying? You can manage that. Get traction. You're not gonna be sliding a whole heck of a lot unless you're just trying to or going too fast. The issue is though, especially with my car, I don't know. I just put some brand new brakes and rotors on my car, so I'm trying to figure out why my joint locking up, like, and I ain't even going that fast. Like I tap it and it's just like locking up and sliding. I don't know. Maybe it's just because they frozen. So that's the issue. But we made it safe, man. Back at the house, we finna start grubbing. Yes, sir. All of that. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. the street now. This is too messed up. It's like a hill, like a bridge through here, kind of overpass, so they got it blocked off.